Hey crocheters, have you been procrastinating on making crochet gifts for your friends? Well, I've got a list of 10 quick and easy crochet patterns that you can make up last minute for the holidays, for birthdays, or wherever. Before I show you, please like this video and share it with your friends so that they can crochet fast and easy gifts as well. Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's go for it. The first up on the list is the Cozy Cabled Ear Warmer. The pattern is free on my website, juniperandoaks.com. I designed this pattern when I first learned how to do cables, and I think it's very beginner friendly. This pattern has a video tutorial that teaches you how to do those cables, and it comes in 2 different sizes. You need worsted weight yarn in a size J 6mm hook. Number 2 is perfect if you love to grab a quick last minute gift card but want to add like a homemade piece in there as well. This is the Granny gift card holder from Madam Stitch. This gift card holder uses that classic granny stitch. You're going to need just a bit of worsted weight yarn in a size H 5mm hook. Next up, we have the Needle Bookcase by Winding Road Crochet. This is a cute little needle holder that you can use to put your yarn needles or your stitch markers in there. Hold them all in one place in this cute little bookcase. This is a perfect last minute gift for other crocheters, knitters, or even sewers. You're going to need just scraps of worsted weight yarn in a size G 4mm hook. Here's another one that's perfect for using the scraps of worsted weight yarn that you have left over. This is the Easy Crochet Keychain pattern, and it's found on Fosbuzz Designs. You can make a bunch of these quick and easy and put them as stocking stuffers, teacher gifts. Once again, this is using scraps of worsted weight yarn in a size H 5mm hook. Guys, you know I love mosaic crochet, so next up we have the Mosaic Medley Hot Pad. This is a nice double thick pattern. What you're going to need is 2 different colors of worsted weight yarn. You alternate those to get this really fun pattern. You make a big square and fold the edges in to get this double thick hot pad. You're going to need worsted weight yarn in 2 colors in a size H 5mm hook. You can find this pattern on Nana's Crafty Home. Guys, I know you still have some worsted weight scraps out there, so grab those scraps and let's make some Christmas ornaments. I have a list of 12 different patterns. Most of them are Christmas baubles, where you crochet them around a clear plastic craft bauble that you can get at a craft store. I've got a list of 12 of those. All of them are perfect for stocking stuffers, gift tags, teacher gifts. So worsted weight yarn in a size H 5mm hook. And those ornament patterns are free on the Juniper and Oaks website. Okay, the next pattern is called the Barley Button Hanging Basket pattern. This is from Made with a Twist. It uses bulky weight yarn in size N 9mm hook. So this one's bulky, fast, and easy. These baskets are perfect for keeping yarn in them, maybe hanging it so you can put your remote control. So many uses for these baskets, and I know whoever you're going to gift them to is going to love them. Speaking of baskets, this next one is called the Cozy Alpine Plant Pot Cover. You can use this as a plant pot cover or a basket. It uses the alpine stitch, and it's free on my website. You're going to need worsted weight yarn in a size H 5mm hook. Make this for all of those plant mamas out there. Next up is the Hibiscus Bookmark. This is from Simply Melanie Jane. It's a beautiful flower bookmark pattern. Gift this to your book lovers, to teachers. These make great stocking stuffers as well. This pattern calls for worsted weight yarn in a size F 3.75mm hook. And last but not least, if you loved that hibiscus bookmark pattern, then this one is for you. This one's called, and let me see if I can get this right because I always mess up, the Corner to Corner Corner Bookmark. For this one, you make just a simple corner to corner triangles, 2 of them, and you seam them together. This is a great pattern for learning how to do corner to corner, and these are quick and easy. You can make them up for any book lover. This is also like one of my #1 selling patterns. And it is also free on my website. You're going to need DK weight yarn in a size E 3.5mm hook. If you like those bookmark patterns, I do have a list of 12 other ones as well. Okay, crocheters, what did you think about those quick and easy gift ideas that you can create today in just a little bit of time? These patterns are so quick and easy to make up. You can choose several of them to bundle together for a great gift. Which one of those gifts was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments, and share this video with your crochet friends so that they have some ideas on last minute gifts as well. I do have 7 more crochet patterns that are found in the roundup in the link below. I only had time for 10, so there you go. Subscribe to my channel for more yarn related content. Happy crocheting!